Welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we are diving into a real-time old integration case study. Imagine a company like Hertz receiving thousands of invoices from Bridgestone every month. Manually processing these invoices would be slow, error-prone, and frustrating. That's where automation comes in. I'll walk you through how Hertz designed an integration using Dell Boomi to automatically send invoices from Bridgestone into Oracle Fusion Payables. By the end of this video, you will understand how middleware, APIs, and smart validation rules can completely transform financial workflows. Imagine a company receiving thousands of invoices every month. Manually processing them is slow, error-prone, and frustrating. What if we could automate this entire process? Today, I'll walk you through Hertz integration design for automating AP invoices from Bridgestone into Oracle Fusion ERP. So let's see first the purpose. Purpose and justification. The goal is simple. Automate invoice processing. Bridgestone, the tire manufacturer, sends invoices instead of manual entry. Dell Boomi middleware extracts, transforms, validate, and upload them directly into Oracle Fusion AP. And the benefits are reduced manual effort, fewer errors, and faster processing. Integration overview. The source is Bridgestone system and the target system is Oracle Fusion ERP Cloud. The middleware is Dell Boomi and the method is REST API connector. And the process is extract the data, transform the data, validate the data, upload the data and monitor. And these are the acronyms. BU stands for business unit, CSV stands for comma separated value, AP stands for accounts payable module. Functional design. The integration details are name is Bridgestone invoice interface. Type of extract is full extract. The key logic is Dell Boomi retrieves invoices. It maps fields like say for example invoice number, date, supplier, line items, amounts, taxes. Validate completeness and accuracy. Uploads via REST API. Monitor errors and alert stakeholders. We have already discussed this key logic. The Dell Boomi will connect by using JDBC connector for databases, HTTP connector for REST APIs, etc. So these connectors are used to connect the system and pull the data from legacy system or source system to target system, which is nothing but Oracle system. And for data mapping, we use it to download FBDA template, go to Google, Firefox, search for FBDA templates. File-based data import for financials. Click on this link. Now click on next page. Next page. I think this is not wrong. Oracle Fusion Finance Payable module. Click on all books. Implementation file-based data input for financials. Fixed assets adjustment. We will see payables, payables, payable standard invoice import, payable standard invoice import template. So for data mapping, we will use this template. Okay. Click on close. Now this is header information. This is line information. So for data mapping, let's go into our document. For data mapping, if you open this, let us in the next session, I will explain about data mapping. Okay, it got open. Now, if you see, this is the source system mapping. This is the source system columns. So this is the target system columns. Targets is nothing but our Oracle system. Now, in source system, it is called as number. Number. Now, what is number in Oracle? It is invoice number. Now, date. What is in Oracle? Invoice date. So, we will use FBDA template to map all the data like this. So, invoice date. Vendor name. It is called as vendor name. But in Oracle, it is called as supplier name. So, like this, we use it to map all the fields in Oracle and do transformation and loading of data from legacy to Oracle. What is error handling logic? If an error or exception is detected, Dell Boomi will provide alerts and notifications to appropriate stakeholders, including the AP invoice processing team, the finance team, and the IT team. And if the Dell Boomi integration and issue was not resolved, Dell Boomi will retry the integration later. Now we'll talk about technical design. Integration tool is Dell Boomi. Transformation is mapping and validation rules. Delivery services is REST API connector. Attributes are invoice number, invoice date, supplier, line items, amount, discounts, payment terms. Deployment is configured and moved to production. Now we'll check the functional unit testing scenarios. Now, the functional unit scenarios are new invoice creation. The invoice should be appeared in the invoice should be created successfully and transmitted to Oracle Fusion AP. A new invoice record is created in the system. Now, update invoice line items. The updated line item is data. The updated line item is successfully transmitted to Oracle Fusion AP, and the changes should be reflected in Fusion system. Tax code is added to Bridgestone system. Now in Oracle, the expected result is the tax code data is successfully transmitted to Oracle Fusion, and a new tax code is recorded and created in the new system in our system. We made a payment for an invoice in Oracle AP Fusion and trigger the integration to update the payment system in Bridgestone system. The payment status is successfully transmitted to Bridgestone system, and the corresponding invoice recorded is updated with the new payment status. Create a new invoice in Bridgestone system with invalid data, and the example is we will skip or omit required fields and trigger the integration to send the data to Oracle. The integration should detect the invalid data and reject the transmission of the invoice data, send an error message back to Bridgestone system. Delete an invoice in Bridgestone system and trigger the integration to delete the corresponding invoice record in AP Fusion. The invoice record is successfully deleted from Oracle Fusion AP, and the corresponding record is also deleted from Bridgestone system. A new payment term is added to Bridgestone system and trigger the integration to synchronize the payment term data with Oracle AP Fusion. The payment term data is successfully transmitted to Oracle AP Fusion, and a new payment term record is created in the system. Create a new invoice in Bridgestone system with a discount and trigger the integration to send the data to Oracle Fusion AP. The discount information is successfully transmitted to Oracle Fusion AP, and the corresponding invoice record in the system is updated with the discount. Assumptions and dependencies. APIs from Bridgestone and Oracle must be available. Data formats must be consistent. Network connectivity must be reliable. Dell Boomi must handle the expected volume. So now we will see the flow diagram once. So the process will start in OEM. We will extract the invoices using Bridgestone extraction method. In Dell Boomi, pick the final and perform the transformation. Map with the FBDI file. Load the FBDI file. Process FBDI file and submit import jobs. Import job is nothing but import payables invoices. That is the ESS job to load AP invoices in Fusion system. Now, Dell Boomi will perform data validation. If the data is failed, notification sends to user. And if the process is successful, the import program will run. Import payables invoices will run, and the data will be loaded into the Oracle system, and will perform the data validation. If the data is not successfully validated, notification will be sent to users. And if the data is successful, AP payables invoice will be created in the system. So this is how the process looks like. First, it starts from OEM and ends in Oracle Cloud. This integration ensures seamless invoice flow between and Oracle Fusion AP, saving times, reducing errors, and improving financial accuracy. If you are working in ERP integrations, this is a great example of how middleware like Dell Boomi can simplify complex workflows. So that's the full story of how Hertz automated invoice processing between Bridgestone and Oracle Fusion ERP tool. Instead of manual data entry, Dell Boomi now handles extraction, transformation, validation, and upload, saving time, reducing errors, and giving finance teams more control. This is a great example of how ERP integrations make business more efficient. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials, and share this with anyone who is learning ERP systems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.